Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys and welcome for another short tips. So this time I'm gonna talk again about LFO. I know I talk a lot about, but it's something that I kind of ignore for a long time because except like the LFO and the cutoff, I didn't really know how to use them. And the thing is, it's like kind of stuff that there is a lot of possibility and there is as well a lot of way to go wrong. So usually you just don't use them, and so one way I use them with this rack is to apply LFO on the volume envelope. So here is just oscillator 1, but as you can see there is no sub or no oscillator 2, so it's basically the global volume. And here the thing is, you have a very speed LFO like 30 Hz and around 40%, so the effect is not that. You can see if I put, it's kind of subtle effect, but it's always it's always like a little effect which is gonna make you sound less boring or less like basic. And you can pronounce, you can go even until 100, and when you play in a high note it's even more effective. Kind of gets kind of stressful effect, and you can even put in rate and go a little bit more fast. But yeah, subtle effect, but nice effect to really add a bit of character to your sound. Alright, I hope you like these tips guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye guys.